The award appeared to be a bit of a victory for Apple, which had argued in court that design was essential to the iPhone. A federal court jury today ordered Samsung to pay Apple $533 million for copying iPhone design features in a patent case dating back 7 years. Jurors tacked on an additional $5 million in damages for a pair of patented functions. The award appeared to be a bit of a victory for Apple, which had argued in court that design was essential to the iPhone. The case was sent back to the district court following a Supreme Court decision to revisit an earlier $400 million damage award. The jury essentially split the difference between Apple's request for $1 billion and Samsung's argument for $28 million. To arrive at a damages award of more than $500 million, jurors would likely have needed to buy into Apple's reasoning that design was so integral to the iPhone that it was essentially the article of manufacture. The lower figure sought by the South Korean consumer electronics titan would have involved treating the design features as components. The jury had been asked to determine whether design features at issue in the case are worth all profit made from Samsung smartphones that copied them, or whether those features are worth just a fraction because they are components. Samsung isn't saying it isn't required to pay profits. Samsung attorney John Quinn said during closing arguments on Friday. It is just saying it isn't required to pay profits on the whole phone. Apple argued in court that the iPhone was a bet the company project at Apple, and that design is as much the article of manufacture as the device itself. The 3 design patents in the case apply to the shape of the iPhone's black screen with rounded edges and a bezel, and the rows of colorful icons displayed. Samsung no longer sells the smartphone models at issue in the case. 2 utility patents also involved apply to, bounce back, and tap display functions. The case dates back 7 years. An original trial finding that Samsung violated Apple patents was followed by lengthy appellate dueling over whether design features such as rounded edges are worth all the money made from a phone.